In this video, we talk about the rho on an option portfolio. The rho is the risk that interest rates change, and we've looked at this before when talking about various interest rate products, but now we're going to look at it in the context of an options portfolio. One will typically quote rho as the P&L for either a 1 basis point change in interest rates or for a 1% change in interest rates. In this spreadsheet, we look at a 1% change in interest rates. So we can look at an option. So we put an option position in, 1,000 calls, strike of 100, maturity 1 year, and we can see that the rho on this position is $538.97. We have thought about this before. If we are long a call option and interest rates go up, there are two effects. One, the forward price increases. That's good for the call option. Two, the cash we're going to receive is discounted at a higher rate, which means that's bad for the call option. The forward price going up is a much more significant effect, and we have a positive rho on a call option. We can do the same with a put option. And we see the rho is negative $407. And again, a put option, we change interest rates, we make interest rates go up by 1%. The forward price increases, that's bad for the put. And the money we receive is discounted with a higher rate, that's also bad for the put. The rho on a put is negative. The nice thing about interest rate risk is that we have already talked and we've already thought about some of the tools we can use. Now, this spreadsheet doesn't handle euro-dollar contracts, which would probably in the market be the most natural hedge. But this spreadsheet handles zero coupon bonds, so we could go long or short a zero coupon bond. If we have a negative rho, we want to go short a zero coupon bond, and we will end up with a positive rho. So let's just look. Payment, negative $1 million. The rho is positive. So we go short a zero coupon bond, the rho is positive. Long a zero coupon bond, the rho is negative. Again, intuitively that makes sense. Long a zero coupon bond, if interest rates go up, the present value goes down, negative rho. Short a zero coupon bond, we have to pay back money in the future. Interest rates go up, present value gets smaller, present value is negative, that's a good thing, positive rho. And so if we have interest rate risk or rho in our spreadsheet due to some option positions, long, let's say some calls, price of 10.45, our rho is positive, then going long a zero coupon bond will offset this. And we can do a little bit of math and figure out exactly what the right size of a zero coupon bond to use in order to hedge some interest rate risk. Now, forward contracts also have interest rate risk. Again, it's relatively straightforward to figure out. If I put a forward contract into my spreadsheet, I can see a positive rho on that forward contract. And that positive rho comes from the term minus K e to the minus RT, or N, 1,000 in this case, minus 1,000 times the strike times e to the minus RT is where that rho comes from. Again, we are long a forward contract, it's got a positive